Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment. Indoor air pollution sources, effect, monitoring, control and modeling. Week 6, assignment 6. So the first question is choose the correct ascending order in size range of bioaerosols. First, virus, second, fungal spore, third, bacteria, fourth, pollen grain. So this is our options and let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, a protein, B virus, C bacteria, D fungal spore, and E pollen grain. So the answer of our first question is A. Now the second question is how do air filters in HVAC system reduce bioaerosols concentration? So these are the option by increasing room temperature, by adding humidity, by trapping airborne particles, dilute air. So let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, indoor fungal count is decreased by following ways: mechanical ventilation, forced air heating, dehum- dehumidifiers, air filters, and air conditioners. So the answer of our second question is C. Now the third question is identify the wrong statement. So this is our statement and let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, these are found in the size range 1 to 50 micrometer fungal. So the answer of our third question is C. Fungi are found in size range of 1 to 50 mm. Now the fourth question is how does temperature affect the viability of bioaerosol in indoor environment? So these are the options and let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question fourth, controlling factor of bioaerosol temperature. Thermal energy has been used to control bioaerosol in two forms: moist heat using steam under pressure, dry heat high temperature without moisture. So the answer of our fourth question is C. Extreme temperature, hot or cold, can detective bioaerosol. Now the fifth question is which type of bioaerosol is often used as an indicator of indoor air quality? So these are the option: pollen grains, dust mites, bacterial spores, fungal spores. So let's check the answer of our fifth question. So question fifth, it is generally assumed that spores constitute the bulk of the bioaerosol produced from fungi. So the answer of our fifth question is D, fungal spores. Now, the sixth question is what happens if an infected individual is releasing virus via respiratory route of size less than 5 micrometer in a room? So these are the options, and let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question sixth, sneezing and coughing generated a population of virus laden droplet of different sizes: large droplet greater than 100 micrometer, small droplet less than 5 micrometer, and even smaller less than 1 micrometer. So the answer of our sixth question is D. Now the seventh question is select a suitable energy efficient option for inactivating bioaerosol. So these are the options: thermal treatment, UV irradiation, ventilation, filtration. So let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question seventh, UV irradiation in comparison to thermal treatment, UV irradiation technique utilizes very less energy. So the answer of our seventh question is B. Now, the eighth question is identify the pathogenic bacteria that is widely prevalent in hospital and homes. So these are the option: Bacillus, molds, spores, Calodosporium. So let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question eight, dominant bacterial genus in residential apartment, Bac Bacillus. So the answer of our eighth question is A, Bacillus. Now the ninth question is identify the disease of bacterial origin. So these are the option: chickenpox, severe acute respiratory syndrome, tuberculosis, measles. So let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question ninth, bacteria that can cause infectious diseases include tuberculosis. So the answer of our ninth question is C, tuberculosis. Now the 10th question is select the option that does not related to the inactivation of bioaerosol. So these are the option and the answer of our 10th question is C, increasing carbon sources. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.